Today we're making another episode. It's a Sunday again, and we decided to load up one of our cars and take to a body man to do a little repair work because it has a little rust here and there. Anyhow, maybe we'll make you guess, but you'll never guess. I'll just tell you, it's a '59 Chrysler. We're going to pull it in the shop here for a minute, shoot some video, and then we're going to take it to the shop. We're going to show you some of the issues it has. So just a little bit of rust on the rocker's not too bad, but we're going to look at the trunk, inside the trunk. Oh, well, looks like there's a mouse hole. Maybe that's, can't see that. Maybe that's a big mouse hole. A little rust here. Anyhow, we're taking it to the shop. Oh, look, there's a tire. We're taking this to my body man today, and he's going to do a little magic on this. So as you can see, it's not bad. It just needs a little help.
As you can see, we got the new trailer hitch on the truck, and we got to put it to work today. So it appears to be holding up, so Dad's welds are actually somewhat decent then.
So here we are at the shop of Tom Judy. This is Tom, and of course I'm Bruce. Anyhow, we got the '59 Chrysler in. He's the main man here, the sheet metal guy. He's already started on. He's got the seat out, he's got the trunk out, he's got the gas tank out, and he's already started on putting a pan in. And you want to say anything?
Just knocking the rust off of it and replacing it with the new stuff. So anyhow, it's going pretty smooth.
Yeah, if you're in our area, this is the guy to see for sheet metal quarter panel work. So we'll show you a little bit of what he's doing. So he's got the trunk pan cut out. He's already made the center pan, and he's just getting it laid in there. Got it riveted into the one end. You can still see the tires. Hey, Yeah, Tom tells me that the tires won't show when he's done. And then we'll come up here to the floor. He started on the floors. Got this side, we're getting it doped in. You can see on the other side what it looked like. It's not hateful. We've seen worse. You know, it's Ohio, not like you California guys that have no rust at all. So we're back out here at Tom's Ravenwood Fabrications LLC. This is a car that he did. Somebody tried to break into this car, and he had to take out the lock, part of the door handle there, and redo that. And then also done some rust repair back here on the top. You remember the old vinyl tops where they'd always rust out right in here. So this has been redone in his window. Yeah, so just some of the work here that he does. You get the idea. So here's a square body Chevy Tom worked on. It used to be an old race truck. He put a fuelie motor in it, fuel injected, run the computer. He's got a little computer box over here, sweet, Cal custom installation. This truck's actually going to be for sale. We'll put a link to our Facebook page, and if you think you're interested in it, you can bid on this thing. So he's got new cab corners in this. Done a lot of work on the truck, done the paint work. Just a cool old short bed truck.
Probably you're just on the bolts yet, I think, a little bit. I look like I'm pretty on this one. That is down a little bit.
Oh, it's stuck on this bolt right there. There's a 22nd flange here. There it is. It'll be like, just that easy? Yes, sir. Just that easy. Yeah. No, that's not that heavy. You want to move anything?
Set it. Yeah, let's go
Behind
up.
the truck.
Let's go up front over here. That'll be kind of a little bit. It's not heavy. It's not light either.
So here we are. Tom's got the stuff in here now. This rockers are done. Check this out. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Got a nice new rocker. No mouse holes. And even the seat's bolted down now. Unbelievable. I can actually sit in the seat without it falling into the back seat. Woo, look at that floor. Yep, getting there, getting there. Pretty nice. Putting in the back panels. Got this one over here ready to tack in. Yeah. A little rust repair here. Got this piece in. Of course, got a rocker. Coming along. So it's been like maybe 2 weeks. Tom's got everything pretty much well done that we're going to do to this thing. We got all the new rockers in. I don't know why I'm saying we. Tom's got it done. I'm used to just saying we. Anyhow, we're at Ravenwood LLC Fabrication. So he fabricates sheet metal. Now, if you remember, there was no quarter panel here at all. And I want to show you, this is the bare metal job he did. And there's no waves. See any waves? No waves. And we got smooth lines because he's a master welder. And yeah, everything's looking real good. Remember that trunk? Oh, here's the trunk. Look at this. No rubber tires showing. Look at that. And yeah, he's getting it all buttoned in. About another day on this and we're calling it done. I brought the gas tank out to him today to put the tank back on. So look at this. Look at this around the wheel well. That was all going. Remember that? Going. So we got all new metal. And a little patch there. And the rocker, a little patch there. Of course, we already showed you the seat and everything. So once again, Tom, say hi. That's Tom. We're in Tom's shop. So anything done, we'll put the link here on the video. You can contact him. See ya. Hey, it's Bruce back at another exciting part of Clef's episode, the Clef's Garage. Back out here with Tom at Ravenwood Manufacturing LLC. He's got the Chrysler all finished, and I'm going to let him tell you just a little bit about what he did. And by the way, this is his project truck, and this is his own job, so he does this in between jobs.
This is a 51 Chevy pickup truck. It's on a S10 chassis. It's got a 9-inch forward rear end with a 4-link, triangulated 4-link on the back. It'll have disc brakes all around. It's on air ride, obviously, since it's so low. We've done some cab corners on it, a lot of floor replacement, a little rust repair in the cowls. These trucks are real bad about rusting out in the cowl area. So we replaced that one on the other side and we did some fixing on here. I actually raised up the running boards about an inch to get rid of the gap, so we had to shorten the fenders up a little bit underneath the belt line. And then to get her so low, we did a lot of modifications on the bed. Stretched the fenders, lengthened some of them, fixed some rust, put a whole new metal bed floor in it, and some other stuff to accommodate the air ride. So it's been a work in progress. It's got a ways to go yet, but we're getting closer. It'll have power steering. It's set up for a 327, 350 transmission, which is all in it. So we're getting closer. It doesn't get worked on near as much as it did before. So
That's because Tom's more busy. I keep bringing him crap to fix.
we're going to push her over to the other side this afternoon so we can get a couple new cars in and get started on those. So.
All right, well, thanks, Tom. And we're going to check out the Chrysler now, load it up, and going to take it home. Back home at Klepp's garage. Looks a little bit different than when you seen it last here and sitting here in the barn. So the rocker panel is finished here on the driver's side. And the back rockers are all in. Nicey nice. Got the rear quarters are done. Up underneath all done. Got the floor pans all in. Seats actually bolted down. Done a nice job up in here, getting this all butted in. And then as before, when we come over here look at the trunk, well now say, that's a little different. Oh, no more wheels to look at. I can actually put something down in here. Look at this, I could probably put a fifth of whiskey down in here. The copper you're seeing up around here is some special paint that he uses to undercoat it before he welds it, and the weld doesn't burn that paint off. So the copper is everywhere that he's doing the welds underneath. So we got the back end all butted in. We'll have to get the bumper put on, but we're going to do a little paint work underneath here first. If you remember right, this had absolutely no metal whatsoever right here in this corner. This has all been fabbed out of nothing. Get that all back in. This all done. Got my foothold put back in. I can't put my foot in there in that rocker. So Tom done a great job for us. Highly recommend him. Making this car worth about 4 times what it was worth before, because it really wasn't worth anything with no trunk in it. So anyhow, up the value of the car, here we are. Well, this is going to conclude this first section of the restoring the Chrysler, or we're not really restoring it, we're just kind of making it a driver. we wanted to get everything buttoned in, keep the mice out. We've done that. And so, as always, driving if you got them. I know we trailered this one because on the way home we had no rear bumper. The brakes are marginal, and the leaf springs are marginal also. But yeah, get them out and drive them. We're going to get this one to a driver. This will actually clean up. We're going to keep the original paint. We're going to fix this here, blend the paint. We're going to get some, try to find some old lacquer if we can. We're going to paint the same color on the new rockers, and yeah, so this will be a nice project.